PLC programming should not require a hardware bench, an expensive vendor license, or a week of setup. PLC Simulator puts the complete workflow in your browser. Build ladder logic or structured text. Press Run and watch the scan cycle drive a live machine. Practice motor control, traffic sequences, process logic, and fault finding with immediate feedback. Then move into 3D. Jog industrial robots, write real motion commands, and test sequences inside guarded work cells. The searchable library includes 143 reusable factory objects. Add conveyors, sensors, drives, safety devices, robot tooling, and complete equipment packs. Structured lessons. 8 vendor dialects, wiring labs, and an HMI builder turn experiments into a complete automation learning path. Start free, no install, and no credit card. Visit plcsimulationsoftware.com.